Everyone can chant Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram. Where is the difficult? But they will not chant. They will not chant. They will talk so many rubbish things. But as soon as you ask him to chant Hare Krishna, he will be silent. That we have experienced. But still, our thankless task is to induce everyone chant Hare Krishna. There is a cartoon picture in New York. One old man and his wife sitting together. The wife is requesting the husband, old husband, chant, chant, chant. And the husband is replying, can't. He will say 3 times, can't, but not Krishna, Krishna, Krishna. That is not. A similar story is there in Bengal. One old mother was dying, and the sons requested the mother, now you say Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna. So after requesting 2-3 times, mother became disgusted. Oto kotha ami bolte pari. Oto kotha bolte parini, she could say, not Hare Krishna, not Hare Krishna. This is the position.